In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer in Notion. By the end, you'll have a live, auto-updating timer embedded right inside your workspace, perfect for launches, deadlines, or events. First, open your browser and go to Notion.com. Click Log In and sign in using your usual method. I'll choose the Google option and select my account. Once you're in, head to the Notion page or database where you want the countdown to appear. It can be a dashboard, a project view, or any page that needs a clear time target. Now open a new tab and go to indify.co. This site provides handy widgets that work beautifully with Notion. On the Indify homepage, find the countdown widget and click it. Give your widget a clear title so you can recognize it later in your Indify dashboard. Something like Product Launch or Quarterly Deadline works well. Then click Continue. You'll land on the configuration screen. Select the exact date and time you want to count down to. Take a moment to double check the details, especially your time zone, and whether the time is AM or PM. A quick confirmation here saves confusion later. As soon as you set it, you'll see a live preview showing how the countdown will look and update in real time. When you're happy with it, click the option to copy the widget link. This link is what allows Notion to render the countdown as an embed. Head back to your Notion page, click where you want the timer to sit, and paste the link directly into the page. Notion will recognize it and prompt you to embed. Click Embed and the countdown will appear right on your canvas. From here, you can adjust the size to fit your layout. Click the widget and drag the edges or corners to resize it so it's easy to read and lines up well with your other blocks. If you're using columns, you can also drag the block into the column where it looks best. That's it. The countdown is live and will keep updating automatically. If you ever need to change the date or time, return to the Indify configuration for this widget, make your adjustment, and the update will reflect in Notion without needing to replace the embed. If the embed doesn't appear, double check that the link was copied correctly and that your workspace allows embeds. With this in place, you've added a clear, visual deadline to your Notion workflow, helping you and your team stay focused on what matters most.